We all know that everybody and their dog is talking about AI. AI this and AI that. But what are the things that it can actually do? We've been working on OpenClaw, and the one thing that has stood out to me is every single other AI, you can put in a prompt and it'll give you something subpar back. It can browse the website, it can go access, obviously we have it combined, but it can literally do everything and to the next level. And so in this video, I'm going to give you a list of 100 different things that AI can actually do. And so here's the 100 things. And now I'm going to go over them all one by one and just talk about them and just kind of give you some use cases. So we're just going to go over this in brief. ClickUp and project management. Whichever project management software that you use, you can hook up an API and literally manage your project management software through your AI. So it's almost like you have a full-time assistant in your Telegram or your WhatsApp and you're good to go. It's just unreal. Like never before were you able to do it that efficiently. So here's what it can do. Let's say pull overdue tasks, identify tasks with 0 comments, flag approaching with deadlines, summarize a specific AM's workload, find tasks stuck in the same spot for 3+ days, post progress comments on overdue tasks. Okay, next one, client and SEO work. Run a technical SEO audit on any client. Fix mixed content issues. It can go into your website, it can go to WordPress, it can rebuild the site, right? It can do all the title tags, meta descriptions. You can literally give it a credit card to go and buy the backlinks. It can do everything in terms of reporting, documentation, and spreadsheets. So gone are the days where you got to build out a spreadsheet from scratch to build out a story. Now you can literally just pull the data. It'll build everything for you. And if you want different, variations of graphs or different, you could just keep prompting. It'll keep on giving you what you want, exactly what you ask for. You're not asking for information anymore. You're asking for the actual outcome. Look, it can do every single piece of research because it can browse the web. It can go on any website. It pulls the information. It'll pull the references. So even research for travel, booking flights, like it'll literally, you can give it the parameters. It'll book the flight for you. It's incredible. So research, knock that one off the list. Every single piece of research can be done via this. We won't touch too much on this because I don't think my listeners are that deep in Python or code, but obviously it's complex. And look, at the end of the day, it can do every single coding. Like it could do any piece of code. It can build you any kind of website. It can build you an app for the App Store. It can literally do anything. Whatever your mind can believe, this AI will achieve. It can act as a full internal project manager. So maybe not the one that you'd have in person, but one who's overseeing everything and leaving notes, comments, asking for clarification. A robot can literally do all of that, and it's just incredibly accurate. And obviously every single thing needs to be trained and prompted, same as anybody else would, but it has infinite memory because once you teach it something once and you keep expanding on it, it never forgets anything that you've ever told it. So in short, it keeps getting better and better and better and better. So it can build websites, it could do graphic design. I mean, we're coming into the days where you're going to need your own AI agent programmed into your business so that that works 24/7, so that you don't need somebody else working for you. This works 24/7. It'll never call in sick and you'll just be in the best shape of your life. But at the end of the day, you all have to be careful because if you're using OpenClaw, there's definitely security risks. So make sure you use the APIs correctly. Don't give it login information that you wouldn't give another person, but don't even give it anything. Don't give it your banking. Don't give it stuff like that because that'll end up, it could go sideways quick if it ends up sending money somewhere you don't want because it can literally do anything that someone sitting down on a computer could do. The only thing I haven't been able to see it do is actually hit the human identifier button. That button where, it's like, hey, are you a human? It never gets past that. That's where it needs human assist. But it always finds a workaround and it'll ask for your input to update it. And so there's always a way. And just make sure that you're finding the use cases in your business for what it can actually do for you because it's incredible the amount of redundancy you can have in a business. And then also, just make sure also your people are using this. All right, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for listening. Let's keep on going. AI is going to change the world. It's definitely changing every day, and I'm excited to keep sharing the journey.